Inaba Denko's Slim Duct SD professional grade AC line set cover provides a modern and durable design that is an easy addition to any split AC installation. Slim Duct SD's compact design and multiple color options complements various building aesthetics. Constructed from special high-grade PVC to be weather-resistant, UV stabilized, and fire retardant. Available in 3-inch, 4-inch, and 5 5/8" sizes. Slim Duct SD Bridge is an optional system used to elevate Slim Duct to accommodate even the most complicated configurations. Slim Duct SD is quickly installed in 3 easy steps and requires no special tools. Step 1. Secure fitting and line set cover bases to the wall. Step 2. Insert line set and drain hose. Step 3. Clip on duct cover and secure fitting covers with screws. With over 295 fittings, Slim Duct SD provides a full range of products for any configuration. Contact us to order your Slim Duct SD line set cover today.